I'm going to be talking about how to learn CPA marketing. Now, CPA marketing, I've made millions of dollars with promoting in the skincare and the weight loss niches, making up to $35,000 in a single day. Now, a lot of people don't teach CPA marketing because it's a very aggressive space. There's big money, there's quick money, and lots of people don't like to share, but I'll be sharing how to go about finding the information in this kind of hidden niche of affiliate marketing. CPA marketing, it stands for cost per action. It's perhaps the most aggressive area of affiliate marketing because you can get paid more than the company is even making. Okay, the companies in this space will pay you incredible payouts for not even making a sale. Now, I made my first big money with CPA marketing. That's when I started scaling advertising campaigns to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $35,000 per day, and you could do it overnight. The money is big, the money comes really quick, but it is an extremely competitive sub-niche of affiliate marketing. A lot of people don't want to teach CPA marketing because since it is so competitive, the advertising methods are extremely aggressive. Now, I'm not going to go into exactly why this is such an aggressive area of marketing, but let's put it this way. The ad networks don't like CPA marketers because CPA marketing, the offers are just in your face, aggressive, but people buy them. It really taps in to the inner psychology, the pain points, the triggers that make people want to buy, but it does it too aggressively, but it makes a ton of money for marketers. The CPA marketing is totally built around paying the marketer as much money as possible. Now, the tactics are constantly changing in CPA marketing because it's a bit of a cat and mouse game. Again, the ad networks are trying to keep CPA marketers out, and the CPA marketers are trying to find new ways to get their ads in front of people. It's a big game. But there are some ways you can stay ahead of things even though it's changing so fast. The first area is forums. This is where I learned CPA marketing. I was on the Stack That Money forum, and that's going to be one of my recommendations. Stack That Money forum is $99 a month. It's full of a lot of different CPA marketers that are trading tactics, and you can kind of learn what's working best or what's not. I've seen it grow a little bit stale in recent months or whatever, but it's still a pretty good place to find information on what's working best right now. The next forum I suggest is Mad Society, and that's also by another prolific CPA marketer. I'm going to write it up here. Mad Society. Mad Society is really powerful. It's run by the marketer Malin DeRoss. He also lives out here in Los Angeles. Very successful dude. He's run campaigns. I think he's made as much as like $50,000 or $100,000 in a single day. Very successful guy, and he created a forum, a community for other CPA marketers to learn, just to trade information. Really good forum, highly suggested. Events. Now, events, when I attended my first affiliate marketing conferences, it made this whole industry real. You know, it seems weird when guys like me are on YouTube talking about, you know, big money, quick money. It seems like a scam. It totally seems like a scandal. Like, this can't be an actual real industry. There can't be, you know, isn't John just here trying to sell me something? You know, how do I know this ain't all smoke and mirrors? Well, the fact of the matter is, this is an industry. There are hundreds of thousands of marketers all around the world that are making significant amounts of money just by putting up ads or doing different things to market products on the internet. It's a big industry. And when you go to events, it makes it all real. What I would suggest you go to is, the first event is Affiliate Summit, okay? Affiliate Summit is the industry staple event. It's where affiliate marketers go. It's where all the businesses go. It's where all the networks go. It's where all of the software tools and ad networks and everybody, you know, It's just the place you want to go if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing. If you don't believe that this industry is real, it's big. There's, maybe 20-some thousand people who attend this conference every single year. I would recommend you go to the one in Las Vegas. The parties are better. So the next event is Affiliate World Asia or Affiliate World Europe. These are the staple affiliate conferences that go on internationally. So Affiliate Summit is mainly relegated to the US. It happens once a year in Las Vegas and once a year in New York. But the Affiliate World Conferences happen once a year in Europe and once a year in Asia. Asia is probably the coolest conference to go to. They do it in, I believe, the last time I went, it was in Bangkok, Thailand. Super cool, a lot of fun, and you find marketers. You find probably if you are a young marketer that's looking to get into this space, you will meet some of the coolest people because they all come out from all over the world to go to Bangkok to have fun for a few days or a few weeks. And you'll find the marketers that are truly living the digital nomad lifestyle dream where they can be anywhere. Their teams, if they have a team, are remote. You'll meet a lot of lone wolves like me who just work completely solo without any employees. You'll find a lot of interesting characters there that are making millions of dollars living that internet marketing dream. So that you'll find out in Affiliate World Asia. In Affiliate Summit, you'll also find a lot of vendors and people who are marketing tools and whatnot. The money's there. I don't know how to describe it. It seems like a dream that you can just tap some keys on your computer and the numbers in your bank account just keep going up every single week. But it's real and it's cool. And going to an event will help solidify that notion and also help you learn CPA marketing by being able to network with the people in this industry. So if you're looking to learn from specific influencers online, let's say you can't go to an event, a few good people to learn from and to follow in this space would be obviously myself. I talk a little bit about CPA marketing. Again, I try to distance myself a little bit from that world because of super aggressive nature of this niche and just because I don't want to be necessarily associated with that level. CPA marketing has a kind of a bad reputation amongst ad networks, and I don't want to be associated with that. But you can also follow Charles No and Tim Bird. So both of these guys, I know them personally. I've been to, I paid Charles No $10,000 to attend one of his live events, and I made an unbelievable return on my investment. He goes over some of the most advanced tactics in CPA marketing and is constantly ahead of the curve. Very successful guy. He's a doer. And Tim Bird, he does live events on advanced Facebook advertising. Also a very successful CPA marketer and talks about a lot of the stuff therein. Let me know if you learned something from this video. Give this video a big fat like if you got some information from this, and also comment below what was the most useful information to you. Was it learning about the forums to join, the events you can attend, or the influencers that you can follow to dive deeper into this space of CPA marketing? Also leave a comment below if you have any questions for me that you'd like me to answer or address in a future video, and I will. I love hearing your suggestions. And make sure if you want to go deeper into this journey into affiliate marketing and create that lifestyle for yourself, create that income from your computer, then subscribe to my channel and you'll get a free video series about how to start affiliate marketing. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Talk soon.